Yo, what's up, ABS vlogger? How are you guys? Today we are having fun with the nature. So let's go, guys. We will have fun with nature today. Don't. These dudes are having fun with the nature. Actually. Hello. What are you doing, bro? How are you? Come here. Don't shout. Hey, guys. Let's scream together, okay? In three. Shut up. In three, come here. Everyone look down. In 3, 2, 1. No. Okay. In 3, 2. In 3, 2, 1. Bro. Now don't shout. No, don't. Let's see this tree. So guys, if you like challenges, so give us more challenges. Look here. Oh shit. What? Hold the camera for me, guys.
Okay.
Bro. Look. Okay, guys. Go back. Look here. This is a trampoline. Not a trampoline. It's just a regular trampoline.
Hello, Barbara.
Okay. What should we do? What to do?
Ali is far behind. Everyone knows this cow is everyone.
Bro, we don't have to run.
Uncle I have to. Uncle Rabbit.
What should we do? There are lots of clothes. Clothes. What? What the hell? Let's go inside this, but we don't have to go inside. There are snakes.
I know.
This is our parkouring place. Wait.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I have disappeared. Now I will go right over there. Okay, he's stuck. You're not even stuck, bro. Okay. If I fall from here, I could be dead. What is this? Okay, you might think, you guys, where's Ali? You guys are thinking, where's Ali? But Ali went to do a shit. Sorry, a poop. Wait. Oh shit. down there.
I have screamed so much in this vlog.
Really?
I just from there, then there, then there.
Shut. Don't shout. He's a shouter guy.
It's not a shouting.
Don't shout so much. Don't be a bad guy. And
Why are you
push.
just coming?
I was about to fall, guys, and there are lots of cars.
Are we just standing there for doing nothing?
What?
Are we just standing there for doing nothing?
We are? I don't know, but we are having fun.
How are we having fun?
At least.
At least
Let's close this door.
the viewers are not having
It's fully closed. What happened?
fun.
Bro is injured. Injured. It's so beautiful. Let's go right over there. Come. So deep. There are not snails. There are snakes. Okay. This is this. But bad news. Bad news. There's a cow. Look here, dumb. Look here.
Oh
Yes.
my god!
It's the death scare. Death stare. Let's go the other way. Poop. Okay, guys, we have disappeared. What the dog doing? It's not. You don't have Jola and don't be
I've
Sigma.
been doing this! Bro, we can just walk through like this.
Because you're small.
Because this trunk is small.
It's
This
just
trunk is so small.
is that a damn.
That's a cow!
Bro, what's that?
Cow!
No.
Scarlet Macau!
What is that?
Scarlet Macau!
Did you see the yellow thingy?
Which yellow thing?
Wait, I'll screen it.
Which yellow
This one.
thing?
Don't touch it.
Yellow thing?
Don't touch it.
Which yellow one? Which yellow one?
Are you
This
sure right
one.
now?
Can I have it?
No,
Why?
no,
I'm just having it.
no.
Bye. It's not that dangerous. I got it. Hey, hey, catch.
Okay. So we will end our vlog here. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye.